In a gripping start to the Border Gavaskar Trophy, Australia falters at 67-7, chasing India's total of 150. Jasprit Bumrah shines with 4-17, supported by Mohammad Siraj 2-17. Australia trails by 83 runs as they head into Day 2. Cheteshwar Pujara emphasizes the importance of a balanced strategy in Test cricket. As India faces Australia in a crucial 5-test series, Pujara argues that both aggressive and defensive play are essential for success, especially under pressure. Virat Kohli has relocated to London, spending time with his wife, Anushka Sharma, and 2 children during breaks from matches. Despite a recent low performance in the Perth Test, Kohli values his privacy and family life in the city. Wasim Akram highlights the stark contrast in post-trophy celebrations between subcontinent countries and Australia. While Indian players enjoy grand parades, Australian cricketers, like Mitchell Starc, have a more subdued response, reflecting different sporting cultures. Ravichandran Ashwin, with over 500 Test wickets, was surprisingly benched in the first Test against Australia. Management opted for Washington Sundar instead, raising questions online. Wasim Akram highlighted the need for fitness on Australian pitches, impacting selections. In a thrilling display of skill, Rishabh Pant showcased his fearless batting during India's opening Test in Perth, hitting an incredible 6 off Pat Cummins. Commentators praised his unique style, with Sanjay Manjrekar calling him a genius and destined to become one of cricket's greats. The IPL 2025 mega auction is set for November 24th to 25th in Jeddah, with Rishabh Pant up for grabs after not being retained by Delhi Capitals. Experts predict he could break Mitchell Starc's record as the most expensive player. Punjab Kings leads the bidding war. Virat Kohli's performance in the ongoing Test series has raised concerns, as he scored just 5 runs off 12 balls before being dismissed. Cheteshwar Pujara criticized Kohli's stance, suggesting a more defensive position could have helped him handle a rising delivery from Josh Hazlewood. KL Rahul's controversial dismissal during the Perth Test has drawn criticism. The third umpire overturned the on-field call despite unclear replays, as former players slammed the lack of sufficient angles. Critics argue this could lead to further debate in cricket officiating. In the opening Test against Australia, Virat Kohli struggled, scoring just 5 runs before being dismissed by Josh Hazlewood. Kohli's form has been concerning, coming off a series where he managed only 93 runs in 6 innings. Cheteshwar Pujara commented on Kohli's positioning and the extra bounce affecting his play.